Hello there, welcome back to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a close-up look at our brand new zip gift tag die set, a product designed by Lynda Kanase, and it's part of our collaboration collection with her. You can see the die set here. It is a really fun set because you can hold a gift card inside of this and rip a zipper open to pull the gift card out, and it's designed so you can use it for a lot of different occasions. So we're going to make one today so you can see just how to put this together and how the pieces work. I'm going to show you first one that's mostly done so you can kind of get an idea of what I'm talking about with the gift card inside, and then the little zipper that you rip open to pull out the gift card. This one is designed for a birthday theme, but there's even a Christmas one, hearts, a star. It's a really versatile set. So you grab that little zipper, rip it open, and then the recipient can easily pull out the gift card. So let's make one together. This one is going to be strawberry themed, and it goes with a milk carton that I designed in a previous video. So I wanted to make this to go with it. So here's the main die. When you cut this out, you're going to get a solid tag with a hole in the top. But you can see this die has lots of openings, and there's square dies that you can drop into this opening. There are sentiments you can drop in, and of course the zipper that you can drop in. Now all these things you could cut after you die cut your tag if you want your zipper in a different spot. For example, at the bottom of the tag, or maybe you want the zipper to be on the back tag so it's not seen from the front. The possibilities are endless, and it's totally up to you how you want to do it. I am taping the dies together, running it through all at once, so it's going to cut the tag, the opening, the sentiment, and the zipper in one run through the die machine. Now I have two tags that are going to line it perfectly and hold the gift card inside. I die cut out the coordinating accent hearts to go with this, and when you die cut out like the Christmas tree or the cake, there are accent dies you can cut out from a different color and layer them over the top. Paper piece them together. All right, I'm going to stamp on my tag, and the stamp I'm using happens to be from the Carton Companion stamp set. It's this little strawberry, and it's a really fun set that goes with our milk carton die, but it's also good to use for other things. I am going to back just the word happy with a green piece of cardstock, but I'm going to leave the heart open like a window so the recipient gets a little sneak peek of the gift card inside. I'm going to add a couple of those accent hearts that the extra die cut for me. I love that. Plus I have that fall out heart that came out when I cut the opening in the tag, so you can save those and use them on the tag as well. I'm stamping the word birthday right below happy, and I love that you can have other things stamped there. Okay, I slowed this way down because some reason I didn't record it, but I sponged some Kitsch Flamingo ink around the edge of my tags, and then I'm going to splatter it with some ink on 3 Pixie Dust, I think it's called, splatter. I'm just watering it down, and then this is going to give it a nice little shimmer and splattery look on there that's subtle. All right, so then you can see that I need to let that dry before I move on, and then I'm going to add a little stitching around the heart with a black liner pen just to give it a little bit more interest. And I like the element of black on here repeated, where I stamped with black the word birthday, and then I've got it repeated with the stitching. Okay, now we're going to put this together. So you can see when I lay the gift card on here, I've got room all the way around there to add my 1/4 of an inch rip and stick tape. So that's what I'm going to do, but you want to avoid the area where the zipper is and not stick that down. If you put the tape there, then the zipper is going to be stuck down and a lot harder to open. I'm also going to put a little around the top of the tag. You can see around that hole. All right, so then I removed all the backing on the tape. I'm going to hold the gift card in place and line up the 2 tags. Now I think it would be easiest to line up the bottom of the tag first and then work your way towards the top, which is what I kind of figured out there. All right, so then you can just rip that open, pull out the gift tag, but I wanted to decorate this up a little bit more, so I'm adding some ribbon through the top, and then I'm going to add another little tag. This is the Bitty Tag die set, and I die cut it out from some pattern paper. I'm going to add a stamped, colored, and die cut strawberry to the tag. That's the same strawberry I stamped on the pink tag itself. And then I'm adding another little sentiment. This is that Carton companion stamp set, and it says gift inside. So I put that right on the little zipper, and this set works great with this tag. I'm going to tie my miniature tag right around that ribbon to kind of bunch it up in the middle and give it that finished off look. And I'm just using some black and white twine for that, and I think this really completes the look. And I love the tag stamped on the back. You could put a personalized message there on the back of the tag and give this as a gift, but it would also be really fun to tie this onto a present. Maybe whatever the present is goes with the gift card. That would be really cool to do too. You could also fold up some money and put this inside if you wanted to do that instead of a gift card. That would be cool too. All right, so now it's time for a little embellishment. I have some clay hearts here I'm adding right at the top just to, you know, embellish a little more because I love embellishment. So there's the completed zip gift tag. You can do so many different things with this and do so many different themes and use stuff that you already have with this set. So I hope this gives you a clear idea of how to use this new die set, and I hope that you have tons of fun with it too. Thank you so much for watching, and if you would like more inspiration from Trinity Stamps, you can find more videos right here to watch next, including that milk carton strawberry milk carton that I just told you about. And I will see you all again very soon with a new video. Happy stamping! Bye!